Welcome. This is how to fix Windows audio device, grab isolation, high CPU Windows 11. So, first one is restart audio services. So, press Windows plus R and type services.msc and find Windows Audio. Right click on it and just simply select restart. And this should fix the issue. Another one is update audio drivers. So open device manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right click your audio driver and simply select update driver, or you can just simply download the latest driver from your PC motherboard manufacturer. Another one is go ahead and scan for malware. So high CPU can be caused by hidden processes. So run a Windows Defender full scan or a trusted antivirus. Another one is check background apps. So press Control Shift Escape and it will open up the task manager and disable unnecessary start up application under the start up tab. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.